In the heart of Gondrecourt, France, the pulse of 91st Aero Squadron during World War I beats strongly. Here, we witness the unsung heroes of the skies, our brave pilots, preparing for their next mission. With a sense of duty and determination, each pilot meticulously dresses for the flight ahead. Every layer, every piece of equipment, is crucial for their safety and success. The DH-4 airplanes, our trusted steeds of the skies, are outfitted with state-of-the-art cameras. These cameras serve as our eyes in the skies, capturing vital information that will aid our forces on the ground. With a roar that echoes across the airfield, the DH-4s take to the skies. Each takeoff is a testament to the courage and commitment of our pilots and the capabilities of our aircraft. Mission accomplished. The DH-4s return, their cameras laden with precious photographic plates. The skill of our pilots is evident in each smooth landing. In the darkness of the developing room, the captured images come to life. Each photograph is a piece of the puzzle, providing valuable intelligence to guide our strategic decisions. These are the fruits of our labor. The developed pictures reveal the enemy's positions, movements, and fortifications. They are a testament to the importance of our aerial reconnaissance missions. Here, the personnel of the 91st Aero Squadron pose for a photograph. Each face tells a story of courage, dedication, and camaraderie. They are the backbone of our operations, the unsung heroes of this war. And so, the cycle continues. The wing and fuselage fabric of the DH-4s are carefully mended, preparing these aircraft for their next mission. Each stitch is a step towards victory, a testament to our relentless pursuit of peace and freedom. As the sun sets on another day at Gondrecourt, we honor the men and women who made these missions possible. Their courage, skill, and dedication are beacons of hope in these challenging times. This is our story, the story of the 91st Aero Squadron.